Hello beauties and gents, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and yeah, it's been a while I haven't done a haul, so I thought why not I should do a haul. So today's video is a Shein haul, and I'm not going to do a try on. So if you want to see me wearing these outfits, you should definitely go check me out on TikTok and also on Instagram, because I do post videos on TikTok, the outfit of the day types of videos, and also on Instagram reels I do post there too. So this is the first dress I'm wearing, and literally I have bought lots of maxi dresses from Shein. So I'm going to put a picture here of the model wearing this dress, and at the same time I'm going to show all the dresses I got, and also a few tops too. So this is the first dress. Literally I'm in love with this dress. It's literally so pretty, and this is like, I don't know, like I'm just wearing this for the first time and I love it. It's so good for spring, summertime, and like especially springtime. I love the sleeve here, and like looks really pretty. And also this dress has like side slit both sides, as you can see, and literally so pretty. I just love it, and I think it's not see-through, but yeah, I don't know, but like it's really pretty. It's really pretty, and it also comes with a belt. So this is the second dress. Literally just want to wear and see, like it's so pretty. This is the dress. It's really pretty. Wow, it's really pretty and really long. It's beautiful, and love the neck. It's like this, okay? It's like this. Beautiful. You always see me wearing this a lot, and yeah, love it. And also it comes with a belt. Really pretty. Wow, so cute. I did open yesterday, that's why it's like this. Okay, it comes with a belt, and wow, this dress is so pretty. And it also has like both side slit, like same as this one, but like it is sleeveless. The material is really soft, and like it's nice for spring summer time. Okay, all the dresses has like belt, and literally I'm in love with this color. Like this is one of my favorite color. This dress is exactly same as the other one. Like it has the adjustable stripe thingy here, and the neck looks like this. Now this one only has one side slit here, like this. It's really pretty, and the material is again very soft, and this is the design. Okay, the next one is in color white, and I don't know about the belt. Okay, this one doesn't has a belt. Okay, it is a halter neck dress, so it looks like this, and the back is like this. And it's really nice long dress. This is how it looks. This Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It comes with a belt. It's so pretty. My gosh. Stunning. Wow. And this is again a sleeveless halter neck, I will say. Exactly same design as other dresses I have showed. So it has elastic here and for the belt, and this one has one side, like I think front slit here, as you can see. It's really long, really pretty dress. My gosh, I just love this one. All of this is in size small, and this one is again a sleeveless, just like this, and you can adjust this strap thingy here. So it's pretty. I think it's good for like autumn, fall, or summer too. I think I've got no idea, but like it's pretty. It's quite long and it's beautiful. Love it. Like this, just a halter neck top. It goes just go like this. I think it will look good on high waist jeans and a skirt, and like back it looks like this. I don't know, they had like lots of colors, so I got black because I just wanted to try, and then like I thought, why not, I'll try, then I'll buy more. It's really very soft and love the color. Is this one is in size X small, but looks big, but like it's really pretty. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. So this is all the dresses and tops I got. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and like do follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I have said so many times, if you want to see more of the pictures and videos, just look at this dress in the mirror. Like it's so pretty. Love it. And I'm going to just film some of the TikTok videos because I already filmed 2 of YouTube videos. So now I'm going to film some TikTok videos, and I hope you all will join me on TikTok and also Instagram. I'm going to post lots of videos every day on TikTok, but not on Reels, because I'm going to post every second or third day on Reels. And like, yeah, it's not okay to post like every day on Instagram, just cause like yeah, if you are on like all social media everywhere, then like it's very hard to like be online on all social media platforms. But like I'm literally active on like YouTube, and like not all the time, but like I'm literally active on Instagram. I'm only like posting videos on TikTok, and like I'm out of TikTok, but like I'm only on there when I'm posting videos. So whatever I get on my For You page, like the sounds, I will just create video on that sound. That's it. Like so yeah, I hope you liked it, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I was filming lots of like cleaning motivation videos, and also like not hauls, like this is a haul video which I have filmed like in a while. So yeah, I love filming blogs, and yeah, also like I did a makeup tutorial which will go up I think after this video, which is on this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then like you should like check out my channel and subscribe, and like social media links are below in the description box if you want to watch more videos and see more pictures. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.